You know, I really like a leader who can stand for what he believes in, no matter the circumstances, no matter the situation, no matter what comes his or her way. He will stand there and defend what he believes. Now, there was a situation at the committee, Senate committee, which was chaired by someone, a senator from somewhere, and there was a heated clash between Senator Onyonka and this man who is the CS of Treasury, Mr. John Mbadi. And this shows us that our system sometimes fails us because imagine some senators there who are women, some men, can stand and defend something knowing fully that they are disservicing Kenyans, they are doing the wrong thing. Yet because the executive has pocketed them, they can stand there and defend rubbish and say everything is okay, everything is fine, while Kenyans are suffering. I really like Senator Onyonka because it takes a man with balls to stand against a crowd of people who think the same way. It's your host, Anonymous Whistleblower. Consider subscribing if you are new. Let's dive in to what really happened.
We are actually dealing with what doesn't look substantive. The reason for that is that we are here discussing about the original intention of initially agreeing that the debt to GDP ratio was basically going to be the standard which we are going to use, just like I've heard my chairman say that even in America or Japan, they're now at about 100%. But what he forgets as an economics student, what I know is that the fundamentals that exist in America and Japan cannot be compared with Kenya. We are still an agrarian society. We are still a country that is basically running our republic as a Ponzi scheme. And the reason for that is you were there. Unfortunately, we did not do what our job was, is we allowed the executive to now go and borrow money any which way they want, and there's nothing that can stop them. And the Senate and the National Assembly have no role to play. So my argument is all these things that we are talking about convince me, my brother, that we are not going to borrow anymore for recurrent expenditure. Because historically, Kenya as a country has always borrowed. All of you have worked in the ministry. Why were we borrowing? To do certain targeted projects which were deliberate. And now we are borrowing just to fill in the gaps. We are paying debts by borrowing, and we are not discussing that. So to me, this report, Chair, is actually irrelevant.
Order.
Just hold
Chair,
on. Hold on.
Order,
No, hold on, Madam. Please.
Let me just guide.
Just hold on.
But you know, you cannot just put on record and say a report is irrelevant.
No, allow me to present my case.
So that we can
Madam
be able
Tabitha,
to
stop
interrogate the
ring-fencing
report.
and defending. Honorable John can defend himself.
I'm not defending. I'm just trying to
No,
allow.
let me say my case.
But you just walked in. You should
No,
look at the report
I was
that
here.
the
I went
minister
for
has
another
presented.
committee. Stop stopping me to do my job. This is the problem with us.
Okay.
Allow me to make my case.
Onyonka. Order. Onyonka. You don't have to shout or bang. You've just served the purpose you've come in to do. Okay?
Let her defend the system.
No. You've just served the purpose you've come in to do, which is make your political statement. Honorable Mbadi, I want you to, that statement is as a walk-in for political statement and walk out, predictably, by Senator Onyonka. Unfortunately, he is a senator. He has a right to be in this committee and air what he has to say, but you do not have to respond to that. You have responded to questions we've raised. If you have such questions, we will ask you the questions on the basis of the response, because this is not arbitrary information you're sharing with us. It's the committee's questions to National Treasury. If we have other clarifications, it will be anchored within what you have shared for us to ask for clarification. So that expels off the record, and you don't have to respond to that one. Because the main objective, as it has been the routine of my brother, is to come in, make political statement, and walk out. That's duly noted. He has done exactly what he needed to do for purpose of public consumption. Senator Essie, if you have any question, please do.
Chair, now was
If you really thought about that one friend who always came last after every examination was dumb, foolish or stupid, then you are wrong. Because yeye ako afadhali mara 150 billion yenye imetengwa na Mr. One Term. Because tell me why. This one beats logic that what Senator Onyonka is trying to convey is that where is the money going? Like, why are we taking money to service other debts? We are borrowing to satisfy other debts. Like, wewe umejipata kwa fix. Ulikopa Shylock, then Shylock knocks on your door. The first thing that comes to your mind, unakimbia kwa jirani yako wa kwanza. Unamwambia fanya hivi, nilikuanga nataka unikopeshe maybe hivi kama 500, kuna issue ime arise. Then after that unaenda una service Shylock vizuri, unawapatia na interest yao, labda ulikopa 300 400. Then tell me, is this not a cycle? Because sasa hata tuongelelei development, because kazi itakuwa sasa ujirani wa kwanza akikuja itakuwa ni aje? Umemwona kwa dirisha, yeye ndo amebisha, then unakimbia kwa jirani wa pili unamwambia wewe my friend, nimeshikwa na emergency, please help me with 500 or 600, I will return it back. So tell me, who are you helping? Are you helping yourself? No, you are not. Definitely you are not helping yourself in any case. And you can see this person called chair, hata anakatu kiti ama kiatu inanuka, because this person is very dumb. Mtuni, you can call him, yani jamaa anabeba wa Kenya kama venye mnasemanga, anabeba wa Kenya aje? Like, and I can see another woman senator, na tulijua kazi yao tu ni kupanua miguu. Kazi yao hiyo ndo kazi yao kubwa huko. We saw the expose by Gloria Uroba. Their work is to, for favors. Wanapatiwa ofisi because of wanapatia na favors. You can hear clearly she is saying that, order, Mr. Chair, unajua Senator Onyonka is out of order because of asking the correct question. And the correct question is, why are we servicing our debt by borrowing other debt? So the question was, when will we stop borrowing? Tuache kuomba. Na hata kama ni kuomba, tunaomba kinamna gani? And this question should be answered by the CS of Treasury. Imagine these people are barricading, they are protecting, wana protect maslahi yao, wana protect CS asijibu swali yenye Wakenya wote wanafaa kujua. And you tell me we have a country here. Is it a Ponzi scheme? Because Kenyans tunaskamiwa each and every day. And if you are not aware, mnalipa deni zenye nyinyi hata amusiki, you are not even in those debts. People are borrowing, and imagine I borrow, then because you are my neighbor, wewe ndo unakujiwa hiyo deni. How? Kwanza ujui hata, they use us Kenyans as guarantors. We are the guarantors. Sisi ndo tumewapatia go ahead ya kukopa madeni huko pale wanakopanga China wapi. We are the guarantors. So in any case, if a person doesn't pay the loan he or she has taken, what do the banks do, or any person mwenye anajua hizi mambo za financial transactions? They will come for the guarantor. And when they come for the guarantor, they will hawatataka kujua pesa ilitumika aje, blah blah blah. No, they will come for you, and come for you very hard. So when you see these people evading serious questions, and then you can hear someone saying at he came to make a political statement, my foot. Are you kidding us? Who the flying F is? Jamaa anafama kofi kwanza mingi sana, mabari kwanza, acha ujinga. Hiyo yake ni upuzi. These people are carrying us babies. Wana watoto hapa nini? Like, who does that? The question is very simple. Deni inachukuliwa kwa nini? Why are we taking the debt? Na kitu hata moja we need to ask ourselves, like, this debt that they took, where did it go? We need to take account. 1.9 trillion for Kibaki, where did it go? Yes, account books zifunguliwe. We need the receipts. Almost 10 trillion for Uhuru. Where did it go? Because this other expose says that the family is, getting something out of the expressway. And now, Mr. One Term, pia yeye alichukua madeni, amechukua miaka 2, almost 4, 5. Zenye hata kuna zingine hatujui. Where is the receipts, because we are paying something we don't enjoy, we don't have any part, hatujahusika kabisa kabisa, we are not even. And Kenyans, when I talk like this, you see some people, mostly TikTokers, coming after me. Hey, wewe umelipwa. Nimelipwa na nani? Now we are seeing the actual truth. Kwani how blind are we? Kwani watu ni vipofu aje waoni hizi mambo zikiendelea? Like, nani alituroga? Who bewitched us na akakufa? Juu huyo mtu anafaa kufufuliwa, tumchape kwanza makofi na maspank, aturogoe ama whatever he or she can do, tuwache kukaa kama watu wamerogwa. Tunakaa wenda wazimu bana. It is very sad, very sad. And that senator and this woman mwenye tumemsikia hapo, shame on you, shame on you, your families and your descendants, because you are doing a great injustice to Kenyans. And I'm very very bitter, kwa sababu mimi mtoto wangu na watoto wangu hawatakuja kulipa deni hata hawajui ilitoka wapi. And you Kenyans, open your eyes. Hapa tunaongea facts, and we are not bashing anyone, we are not attacking anyone, we are just stating the facts. And what Senator Onyonka did was right. Yes, acha tuulize hii deni tunafanyia nini? Mbona tunachukua deni nyingine kulipa deni? Si tungangane tumalize tu deni mara moja. I had one friend of mine by the name of David Wafula akiongelelea the same story. We need hapo KICC inazunguka hivi every day, tunaiangalia inazunguka. Deni yetu iko hapa, iko tuseme for example deni yetu ni 10,000, inazunguka hapo. Ikiongezeka tunaambiwa imeongezeka kwa nini, ikipungua tunapigia serikali makofi. This is too much. Enough is enough. Hata nyinyi kwani hamwezi kasema hivyo? Si huyu jamaa alikuja akamwambia enough is enough hapo karibu siku ya election, akiinterviewiwa ile siku yenye Mr. Notam alikosa kutokea kwa interview. Hiyo presidential interview hamkuona? Si alisema enough is enough? Hata nyinyi semeni enough is enough. I'm very very sad about where our country is heading. I'm your host, Anonymous Whistleblower. Please like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Till the next one. Cheers. Stand by in 3, 2, 1, go.